How to post on Bluesky. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to post on Bluesky so you can share your thoughts, images, and links with your followers. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, launch the Bluesky app on your phone. If you're using a computer, open a web browser and visit bsky.app to access your account. Once you're logged in, look for the plus icon or the pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. This is the button you'll need to tap to create a new post. Now you'll see a text box where you can type your message. Your post can be a simple update, a thought you want to share, or even a question for your followers. To make your post more engaging, you can use hashtags to categorize your post and make it easier to find. Tag other users by typing @ followed by their username. Add emojis to make your message more expressive. If you want to attach an image, tap on the image icon and select a photo from your device. You can also paste a link if you want to share a website or an article with your followers. Before posting, take a moment to review your content and ensure everything looks good. Once you're happy with it, tap the Post or Send button to publish it. Your post will now appear on your feed, and your followers will be able to see, like, comment, and repost it. And that's it! You've successfully posted on Bluesky. Now you can engage with others by sharing updates, thoughts, and media on your feed. That's all for the video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.